Hello Math Wizards! Welcome back to our Math online tutorial. It's me again, Teacher Chris, and I will be your teacher for today. So, are you ready to learn math today? If yes, come and join me in today's lesson. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to solve multi-step, routine and non-routine word problem involving multiplication and addition or subtraction. Our lesson objective is, after going through this lesson, the students are expected to solve multi-step routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication, addition, or subtraction using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Follow the steps accurately in solving word problem. To solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate strategies and tools, let us follow the steps. Step 1 is to understand. Know what is asked. Know the given facts. If any, determine the hidden questions. Next is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. And then, write the number sentence. Step 3 is to solve. Use the operation to solve. Step 4 is to check and look back. Write the correct answer. Let's have an example. Adrian bought 2 boxes of marbles. Each box has 135 marbles. If he gave 56 marbles to his brothers, how many marbles were left? Step 1 is to understand. What is asked in the problem? Correct. Marbles left to Adrian. Letter B. What are the given facts? The given facts are 2 boxes of marbles with 135 marbles per box. 56 marbles were given to Adrian's brother. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. The operation that we are going to use is the multiplication and subtraction. Write the number sentence. Open parenthesis, 135 multiplied to 2, close parenthesis, minus 56 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. So let's multiply 135 by 2. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Next is 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, 135 multiplied by 2 is equal to 270. And then, let's subtract 270 to 56. 270 minus 56 is equal to 214. Step 4 is to check and look back. There are 214 marbles left for Adrian. Let's have another example. There are 5 bundles of popsicle sticks. If each bundle contains 5 dozens, how many popsicle sticks are there in all? Step 1 is to understand. What is S in the problem? The answer is the total number of popsicle sticks. What are the given facts? The given facts are 5 bundles of popsicle sticks. Each bundles have 5 dozens, and 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. So, let's use multiplication. What is the number sentence? So, let's multiply 12 and 5. After we get the product of 12 and 5 times 5 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. So, let's multiply 12 and 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the product of 12 and 5 is 60. So let's multiply 60 to 5. 60 times 5 is equal to 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Therefore, 60 times 5 is equal to 300. Step 4 is to check and look back. There are 300 pieces of popsicle sticks. Remember, to solve multi-step routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication, addition, or subtraction, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools, we are guided by the following steps. Step 1 is to understand. Step 2 is to plan. Step 3 is to solve. And step 4 is to check and look back. Your mastery, read and analyze the problem. Let's solve the problem by applying the steps in solving word problems. So, are you ready? Let's do it! So let's check your work. So let's read the problem. Joy is going to buy food for a class reunion. There are 45 guests, and each guest will eat 250 grams of chicken. If there are already 8,750 grams of chicken in the table, how many more grams of chicken should she buy? Step 1 is to understand. What is us in the problem? The answer is, how many more grams of chicken should she buy? Or, we can answer the total grams of chicken Joy needs to buy. What are the given facts? The given facts are 45 guests, and each guest will eat 250 grams of chicken. Next is 8,750 grams of chicken in the table. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. So let's use multiplication and subtraction. Write the number sentence. 45 times 250 minus 8,750 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. So let's multiply 250 and 45. So 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Our first partial product is 1,250. Next is, let's multiply 4 and 0. 4 times 0 is equal to 0. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Carry 2. Next is 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So our second partial product is 1,000. So let's add 1,250 and 1,000. Starting from the right, bring down 0. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Bring down 1. Therefore, 250 multiplied to 45 is equal to 11,250. So let's subtract 11,250 to 8,750. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. And then 11,250 subtracted to 8,750, the answer is 2,500. Step 4 is to check and look back. Joy needs to buy 2,500 grams of chicken. Check your work. Step 1 is to understand what is asked in the problem. How many bricks will he need to build 7 buildings? Or the total bricks needed to build 7 buildings. What are the given facts? 4,455 bricks plus 120 bricks to finish a building. And then 7 buildings. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. In this problem, we are going to use addition and multiplication. Write the number sentence. 4,455 plus 20 times 7 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. Let's add 4,455 to 120. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Bring down 4. Therefore, 4,455 plus 120 is equal to 4,575. Then, let us multiply 4,575 to 7. So 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Carry 3. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Plus 3 is equal to 52. Carry 5. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Plus 5 is equal to 40. Carry 4. So let's multiply 7 and 4. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Plus 4 is equal to 32. Therefore, the product of 4,575 and 7 is equal to 32,025. Step 4 is to check and look back. The number of bricks to build the 7 buildings are 32,025.